Plug it in, shock on the beats. 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 Plug it in, shock on the beats.
Let me love what you know. Let me love what you know.
What up, guys? Fat Boy 6 here, and Happy New Year. Golly, 2018, where'd it go? It went by way too fast. But I hope you guys all had a good Happy New Year. I know I did. I hope all you guys came home safe, no problems. But yeah, I figured I'd come out here and do a first video of 2019, because we gotta kick 2019 off with a bang, man. Like, we need to start putting out more content. I mean, it's hard for me to do, but you know, people who follow me and been watching me from day one, you know, when I got the time to do it, we doing it. So, but anyways, I just wanted to say Happy New Year, man, because like, I'm still shocked that, you know, it's already 2019. It's like 2018 just went, and where'd it go? But so, where should I start? I'm gonna start by saying that last night, you know, if you guys haven't followed him, you guys need to go follow him. Tell him Fat Boy 6 sent you. But Shaka 252 did a live stream last night, and you know, I've been in some live streams, and all the live streams I've been in have been cool, man. Like, everybody, you know, just shooting the shit with each other and this and that, and you know, the whole 9 yards that happens in a live stream. But last night, man, it's probably got to be one of the top 5, top 10 fucking live streams I've been in, man, because you know, with me being new to this car vlogging or whatever, Mopar community, man, it's been crazy. It's been one hell of a ride so far. You know, just like the motovlogging community, you know, it's fun. It's all fun. Anything that has to do with a bike or a car, it's all fun. But last night we were in that live stream, man, and it was cool how, like, Shaka took the time to set up this live stream when he could have been somewhere else doing other things on New Year's Day. But you know, it was basically a question. You know, you ask me a question, I'll answer. Ask me anything, I'll answer whatever. And you know, a lot of people came in there and was just like asking all kinds of questions and stuff like that, and it turned out really good. It was a real good live stream for Shaka. And you know, and of course, you know, you got your other bigger vloggers that came in there, like RT Life. Shout out to RT Life. You know, RT Life is I gotta say, RT Life, Joey 66, and Shaka 252, man, like, them guys right there, they're the ones that kind of got me into the Mopar stuff, you know. I mean, I didn't know any of them before I bought my car. You know, I had my car for a while, and then I kind of just was like watching Mopar stuff, and you know, I watched RT Live, and you know, because he was doing stuff to his charger. He was putting in cams and putting in a cam in his car, you know, just talking about Mopar stuff, you know. And I was like, wow, he's got a Hemi 5.7, you know, and I just bought this Hemi 5.7. I was like, man, I think I can watch his stuff, you know, and kind of ask him questions and this and blah, 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 you know. And dude puts out very good content. Now, as soon as I watched RT Live stuff, I kept seeing, I kept hearing these beats and stuff, all these good beats and stuff, and I noticed down below, I was like, man, Shaka 252, music provided by Shaka 252 or whatever. And I was like, man, I'm gonna go check out his stuff. So I checked out his stuff, and I was just like, all right, cool. He got them beats going on and everything like that. And then he started doing all this, like, he has a 392. So I was like, oh, sweet. So it was one thing after another. And I was watching the Shaka 252 stuff. And then I come back and a Joey 66 video come on. So I watch his stuff because, you guys haven't followed Joey 66. He actually bought his Scat Pack down here in Solana. So, I mean, so I've just been, but I've just been following everywhere with the Mopar stuff. But I gotta say that, like, everybody in that side chat was like very supportive, very knowledgeable, very had questions to ask, and if somebody didn't know the answer, somebody else knew the answer to it. I mean, it was a good live stream. So it was kind of like like Shaka said, it's not a sub for sub, man. We are all doing the same thing. We all need to support each other, which, in the motovlogging world where I started from, we did do, support each other, because we're all doing the same thing. And it's cool to watch other people's content that you can relate to. And so, like, that's how it was in this live stream. Like, people were like, oh wow, you got this, or everybody was like, you got this certain kind of car or whatever. Very supportive group. It was fun last night. It lasted like an hour or so, but it was good to actually get out there and throw myself into the the Mopar community, because I'm still new. It's like I'm starting all over, but I'm not, because I'm doing the bike stuff and I'm doing the car stuff, and but it's just new for me to get in there and jump into a live stream with other Hemi Mopar guys and people who can relate. Actually, Mango 392, shout out to that guy, man. Mad props to him, because he threw out a video yesterday or the day before, and his situation, I'm not gonna get into it, you just gotta go watch the video. Makes you really think, like, wow, like, for real, that's crazy. But I'll let you go watch that video. Yeah, I'll let you guys go watch that video. I had to switch out cameras real quick because my 7 just died, and now I'm on my session. So I'll let you go watch that video that he did, Mango 392. Drop him a sub, whatever, check out his content, man. Very humble dude. So what else? But yeah, those of you who don't know, you guys probably don't know, but like me, I've been following that Mopar stuff, for some time. There's some ups and downs, just like there's up and downs in the motovlogging world. There's always drama somewhere else. But man, that Mopar, woo, boom, it had exploded. Like, I'm not even gonna get into it because I'm not that type of dude that's gonna go talk about somebody else, man. That's their business, I'm not there. I'll watch it, because that's what it is. It's entertainment. But I mean, holy shit, like, we're talking about one thing after another, and and that's fine. People can make their videos about whatever, but I'm not gonna throw my name out there. I mean, because once one person does it, the next person does it, and once the next person does it, another person does it. So you know, I don't want people to see the same content's always coming out. You know, somebody's always, you know, updating the news or whatever. But me, I don't need to. If it's good stuff, I'll do it. But negative stuff, I kind of just keep my I keep my feet out of that water. So, but yeah, it cracks me up because it's like it's entertainment, it's funny, and I'm just like, wow, really cool, you know, whatever. But I mean, I feel like that, you know, once it's all, because somebody always beats you to, you know, the news and stuff. So I just don't even go there with that. So, but yeah, I'm hoping 2019, man, we can get that push going. We can, you know, I have a full-time job, and this right here is just like, you know, a hobby. You know, if the channel takes off, it takes off. If not, you know, I'm here to do it for fun. You know, and a lot of people, they all say that, you know, they're all doing it for fun. And I'm a firm believer of that. You know, it's for fun. It's what I like to do. It's something that, you know, if I wasn't doing this, what would I be doing? Like, you know, so, but I like doing this type of stuff. You know, I like the editing part. I think the editing part is the coolest thing ever. I think, you know, going out and, you know, making content for people around the world to see, you know, I think that's cool too. And then what's even more better is when you can get a bunch of people who have the same what I want to look for, interest as the next person, and you guys can meet up together and actually meet people in real life. You know, that is so cool. I just had back in April of 2007, I had a bunch of guys come down and with motorcycles and stuff like that. We hung out, we went out to eat, you know, went back to the hotel. We had a good old time. I mean, if you go back, you know, into my later videos where, you know, I think one of them's like Kansas meetup or Kansas motovlogger meetup or something like that. I have 3 videos out where, you know, it's just me and all of us that met together, hung out here in Solana. So I think it's cool. I think it's cool that people get out there and do that type of stuff, you know. Hopefully one day I can get out and do this with the car, you know, hang out with all them guys up in like New York and, you know, Texas and stuff like that. So like I said, I already got one coming up that's when it gets a little bit warmer, I'm gonna go up and hang out with Joey 66. And then I have another one, you know, that's a motovlogger who wants to come up and hang out, and we can do that. So Mr. Kansas guy 74, I got that one right that time, son. Hopefully he's watching. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling here, man. You know, it's too cold. It's 15 degrees. The real temperature outside is 5. The real feeling. Yeah, no bike for me today. So, but anyways, guys, I'm glad you guys enjoyed your Happy New Year's. This first video of the year. You know, if you guys, you know, like talking about cars, you know, talking about, you know, motorcycles, you know, if you guys have any questions or anything, hit me up down below in the comments. I'll try to help you as best as I can. You know, I don't mind helping people out. You know, if somebody has stuck in a problem somewhere, you know, they're stuck somewhere, I like to help them get them out of that problem. You know, when it comes to video editing, or, you know, what kind of camera to use or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video, man. You guys have a safe New Year's. It's coming to an end. Like always, be safe, ride safe, drive safe, and all that other fun stuff. Until next time, Fat Boy 6 is out. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.